This is the homepage of Levelife system. You can customize any and everything in this system. Like here I have made my system based on the solo leveling theme. First up, you will get a status window, which you can use to track your levels, stats, ranks, gold balance, and progress. Just like in video game character, you can edit and change the image if you want. Next up is the enemy system. Bad habits, distractions, and weaknesses. They become enemies that you must defeat. Their HP reduces as you earn EXP. You can edit and add enemies as well. Then, here you will see a few widgets and a vision board. You can use them, or add more widgets to stay productive. Then, next up is the class section. Here you can create your classes and subclasses. They are like areas of life you are leveling up. You can create as many of these as you want. You can change the images as well, and even set a particular goal for each class. Next up is the marketplace. This is like an inbuilt shop which you can use to buy rewards once you have enough gold to practice delayed gratification. You can edit the rewards and add as many of them as you like. When you click on purchase, your gold balance will get deducted and the item status will change. When you click on return, your gold balance will return to its previous state. Next up we have the quest board. With this you can turn every task into a quest. Completing it will give you XP according to difficulty settings. Here you can toggle the status of the quest, whether it is not started, in progress, on hold, or completed. Also, when you fail a quest, you will get negative EXP, reducing your level and rank. This feature is extremely useful for quitting bad habits. You can select a particular class for each quest. The current and goal feature works to show you the progress remaining for a quest. For example, if I have total 10 steps to complete for a quest, and you do like 5 of them, this progress bar will update. You can toggle the difficulty level of the quest with this button, and if you want to change the EXP earned or gold earned, simply edit these EXP earned and gold earned property as well as the EXP value and gold value. You can also add a completion date for the quest. There is also an inbuilt automated daily quest system. First you have to click on this blue button over here, select new template. Then, fill all the details of the quest. Then, save it. Then click on the blue button again, click on 3 dots and select repeat and daily. With this, now this quest will be created every day and appear in your quest board. Check the link in description or the pinned comment for the Levelife system. When you get this system, you will also receive a full in-depth walkthrough and customization tutorial. This isn't just another productivity system. This is your new gamified reality. You don't need motivation anymore, because now every progress isn't painful. It feels like an actual level up. Now, you have a system, a way to win. Activate your Levelife system and make real-life improvement feel as addictive as your favorite video game. You are not an NPC, you are the player. So, are you ready to level up?